people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Some people live just to play the game. Some people say that the physical things define what's within. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. If I ain't got you with me, baby. Holy crap.
We're done. I mean,
What in the world? Oh, good.
Oh my God, yes! Oh my God!
No touching the artist. That's a foul.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it.
Alicia, get back here.
Wow.
Stop it.
Okay. What?
That is a foul at the spot of the
No,
blinds.
it's not a foul. That was a feeling.
That is out of bounds.
That was a. Whew.
What's your name?
Lauren Diaz.
First of all, the fact that you sang an Alicia song and then she was the one that turned around first, it's over?
I know, I turned for fun. I turned for fun.
Done. It's done.
And then she went and hugged her.
Because
Yeah.
did you hear that?
It was the icing on the cake, was the
Like-
hug. It's over.
Hey, I am willing to make an ass out of myself to show you how badly I want to be your coach. That's right. I'll do stupid stuff like that right there.
Your voice is undeniable, and for you to be able to have the courage to sing in front of her already shows who you are as an artist. If you want to sing Alicia and then go with me and confuse everybody,
It would be so much weirder.
It would be voice history.
It would be so much weirder if she went with Blake.
Yeah, Blake is out.
Come on,
You know,
Lauren.
I would love you to be on my team, but she's getting you no matter what. I look forward to you guys working together, okay?
Thank you so much.
I mean,
It's like, the sky is blue, the grass is green, this girl's on Alicia's team. Like,
I know.
You know what I mean? Like,
I know.
Hey, Lauren, I am not going to accept it. I don't care how cute Adam's poem is. It gets to the point where somebody is so talented, it's just disrespectful to not hit your button. Lauren, you're an incredible singer, and you look
you.
like a superstar
Thank you.
standing up there. You're beautiful. Now, Alicia, go ahead and put the hammer to my head and get it over with.
Oh, wow. First, Lauren,
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
oh, man.
I'm sorry.
can you just tell me a little bit about you?
Well, I have a 4-year-old son.
Oh, wow.
I grew up playing the piano and singing all of your music.
Wow.
And I stopped when I had my son, and I can't even believe this is freaking happening. I'm gonna throw up. Okay,
I
I'm not gonna
know.
throw up, but
There's no denying this God-given talent that you have. And I just know that you and me are meant to be together. If you decide to choose anyone else, I will say absolutely not. I will go kicking and screaming.
Hey, Lauren, that will make for good TV, so
There's
come on.
things that I believe are right. We both have sons.
I have dogs and cats, and a lot of them. Way more cats than you
I
could ever have.
I
Kim.
possibly do.
No.
Possibly.
Terrible. That's terrible.
Yeah,
Blake.
it is.
Somewhere. It's just the way you interpreted that song. That's the reason why I sing. And that's the reason why I see that you sing. Is so that you can touch somebody.
Right.
So I just want to say, some people want it all.
I can't.
But I don't want nothing at all.
Dang.
If it
Who do you pick as your coach?
My son wants me to pick Blake, but I pick Alicia Keys!